Hello, guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. In this additional, in today's newspaper on Monday, July the 24th, 2023, and I've promised you in the evening I will solve 4 puzzles in this additional. I've already solved 1 puzzle, the Sudoku with 1 star, and 3 puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic, and this one you are interested, Sudoku with 4 stars, and this will be number 6804. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Alright, I see here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this column. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. Okay. 5, 5. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. The 3 in this column, the 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about 1, 1. Yeah, I need to think. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this column, so no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left with 8 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here's 7 in the middle column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And the 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 3, 9. 1, 1, 1. Well, 1, 1. Okay. The 9, 9. Yeah. The 8. 8, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here's 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 2 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. On that column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in the middle row. So no 2 and 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 5. Alright. 5, 5, 5. Okay. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 5, 9, 4. 5, 9, 4. 9 in this row. 9 in the last row. So no row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 and a 5. Come on. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So on the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Can I count? And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. 3 missing. Oh, 8 in this column. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. Okay. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the third row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Alright. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, hello. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column. No 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for number 5, 4, 6, and 8. Need an 8 here. Interesting. 8, 8, 8, 8. So need an 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in this column, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for 8. Could be here, could be there. 9, 9. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So on that row, the only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. 4, 5, and a 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1. Well, We have 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, no need to place level 6. Could be there. So we have a 6 here, 6 there. That means in this row, need a 6 in one of these 3 boxes. Interesting. 6, 6, 6. 7, 7. Need a 7 there. 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the second column. So first column, only 3 place level. The 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. 1, need a 1 here. 1, 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 1, 7, 8, 6. 1 number left here. Should be the 3. Yes. No. We have a 3. It should be a 4. 8, 6, 1, 7. 1, 7, 8. And a 6, yeah. 1 number left in this big square. We've eliminated all those numbers. Here, 7, 8, 6, and 1. 1 digit left in this big square. Should be the 4 then. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that third column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 4. Here we have a 4. That means in the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Well, you have a 4 here. Need a 4 there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. Only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. That means in this column, we need a 4. This box should be a 4. And I've eliminated the 6. So the 6 goes there. There we have a 4. There we have a 4. Okay. So we have a 6 here. 6, 6, need a 6 there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last one. No 6 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 6 in the middle column. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6. Wait. 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 6. Goes together with the 2 as a pair. 6 and the 2. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 2 goes there. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 now in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes and there. 2 in this. We have 2, 2, 2. We have all the 2s. 2, 2, 2. Let me count. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This number 2. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next down, only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated 8, so the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next down, only place left for the 8 should be there. Here an 8, need an 8 there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Let me see. 1, 4, 8. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5. 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in the middle column for the number 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between, yes, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7 and a 9. Here we have a 9, there 9. We have a 9 there. Okay. 1, 7, 6, 4 and a 5, 4, 5 and a 8. Need a 1 here, 1, 4, One box left in this row for number 1. 1, 1, 1, yes. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. And I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have an 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. And the 9 and the 7. We have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finish in 15 minutes, wow, cannot believe this, 15 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku, this one with 4 stars, and I like this one, yes, I really do you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. 4 stars, no, 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.